Hello, Namaskar, Khammagani. I, Yashashvi Tag, with cameraman Vineet Singh from Building Material Reporter, welcome you all to the IDEC Intelligence Series 2021 Jaipur. Intelligence Series 2021 is a networking platform which is driven by knowledge sessions by the building professionals, followed by the project presentation, architectural, and design awards.
IDEC is a great platform, and I've always been working closely with the entire team, and it's a very knowledge driven platform. It's so like we learn from all architects, and so you keep on sharing all these things together, so it gives you real pleasure to know that it's not only you who are in this thing, everybody's sailing in the same boat.
IDEC Intelligence Series is quite unique in the sense that, as they say, that it's from the leaders of today for the leaders of tomorrow. So that's a very interesting concept, that you are with architects of today who are accomplished in their space today, and you are also getting to hear what architects of tomorrow are thinking. So it's a very important and interesting platform to be in, and it's quite insightful for people like us.
So I think for IDEC to kind of even start this entire endeavor of hosting an event and having all of us flown down for it, it's quite a challenge. I really appreciate the fact that their commitment to design, and what I'm really appreciating and liking is the newness in this event, in terms of there is focus on design as well as a lot of the technical elements attached to architecture. So the integration of services, MEP, radiant cooling, in terms of green sustainability. I think there are so many aspects that go into architecture, and I think that IDEC is one event where you are trying to address all of this.
Green Panel is associating with the IDEC for the first time, but the kind of response and the kind of gathering I am having here, and kind of association with this building industry and the architects of Jaipur, I am quite satisfied with the gathering which I have right now.
It was nice to be here because events like this are a great impetus to the younger people who are getting into the profession. They come to know what is happening, they meet their seniors, they meet their counterparts, and that exchange takes place. Some people have a problem that can be solved, discussions. Then also when you showcase certain architects' work, it becomes a great inspiration for the people who are getting into the stream.
I think the idea is great when you only don't, look at architects' work. You involve consultants and people who actually also help in building the project. And now the time is that it has to be a very collaborative practice.
I must congratulate Team IDEC. They're doing a fantastic simulation of knowledge people gathering up together to work on services, engineering, architecture. I think they have reinvented the format in a new sort of genre, which I'm very impressed. It's not pure semantics or aesthetics that drives the idea of an architecture. They bring in a lot of products, they bring in people from the industry as constructors, as builders, they bring people from engineering verticals and then align with them to parallel montage with architects. I think that is the gift of what IDEC has to share, which is fantastic.
We have been fan of IDEC since last year. We participated in 2019, 2 years back before the COVID started. We were the regional winner here in Jaipur. We presented Botanical Garden, and again we were the national winner in Mumbai. So it is a very well planned and superbly organized with nice team of sponsors and very nice stalls.